What do you want me to be? I'll be what you want me to be for £25. Straight from Africa, son. My channel. So today we've got the battle of the bronzers. I'm going to be comparing the Fenty Beauty bronzer with the Makeup Revolution bronzer. Who's going to win? Stay tuned. So let's talk about the specs of this first. So this is the Fenty Beauty one. This is how it looks like. Very cute packaging. Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer, long wearing, transfer resistant bronzing powder for instant sun soaked glow. This retails for £25. It comes in 8 shades. This is the Makeup Revolution Glow Splendor bronzer. It's an ultra matte bronzer. It comes in 6 shades. It's got very nice packaging as well. It's £8. Fenty is in Mocha Mummy. Makeup Revolution is in dark. Fenty Beauty is £25. This is £8. So in terms of the scent, this smells pineapple. Smells like coconut. This has got no scent at all. No scent whatsoever. Oh, I really like the scent of this, but it's better not to have a scent than to have a horrible one. Hey, I'm just gonna jump right into the application. So I'm gonna be doing this one on this side and this on this side. So we're gonna start with this one here. So this is the Makeup Revolution side. It's nice, but you need to blend it. So it's not easy to blend. And you need to put in a little, not like me that just put in. But I love it. I just love it. I'm gonna put it here as well. So this is the Makeup Revolution in the shade dark. I just love the way it's just giving a nice bronze look to my face. Beautiful, just beautiful. So that's Makeup Revolution. Let's try Fenty side on this. I'm gonna use this brush from yeah, it's a bronzer brush. Beautiful, guys. This color is amazing. And the Fenty side is just blending like a dream, guys. I never knew I would find any difference. Like, oh, I love the Fenty side. It's nice. It's in the sun straight from Africa. Straight from Africa sun. This is not this is not European sun. Hey, sun kissed. Okay, so that's kind of both side done. Of the application, I find, apart from the color that I love, the color of this, I find that the Fenty side blends easier. The Makeup Revolution, I see myself trying to blend, but for £8, I really, I'm not complaining. This is £25. It has to blend, yeah? It has to blend for £25. I really like the Fenty side. I just like the warmth it's giving me. So this is Fenty. And this is Makeup Revolution. I love the Fenty, but the Makeup Revolution is nice as well. They are both really nice, yeah. But the warmth this Fenty gives, right? Fenty is one like it's like a blusher mixed with bronzer. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like it's like, yeah. It's like 2 in 1. It's like blusher. It's like bronzer. What do you want me to be? I'll be what you want me to be for £25. With this, you don't even need a blush. It's beautiful. I feel like just spreading it. Yeah, this is nice. I like the warmth better than this warmth. Does that make sense? This is nice, don't get me wrong. Yeah, but I just like the warmth that this is giving me more than this warmth. So they are both nice. Okay, so let's talk about final thoughts, right? Let's choose a winner. So let's start with the packaging. The packaging is just beautiful for both of them. I think the packaging is beautiful. They both have a nice mirror in front of it. See, this has got a nice cute mirror. Ooh, nice. This has got a nice cute mirror as well. It's big, it's a bigger mirror. They're both beautiful, they're both nice, but in preference, I think I prefer the Fenty one. This can fit into your makeup bag and things like that. So they're both nice packaging. This is more, to me, it just, I love the shape as well. This is nice, but for £8. So yeah, so for packaging, Fenty. For price, Makeup Revolution, because this is £8, this is £25. 8 times 3 is what? 8 times 3. So this is £25, this is £8. So for price, this wins. So this has got a smell, it's got pineapple, it smells divine. Like I can stay here all day. Just the scent, yeah, the scent. So this has got a scent and this has not got a scent, and the scent of this is just like pineapple, coconut, just divine. Yeah, it's yummy, it's yummy. So this has got a scent, this has not got a scent. In terms of the range, this has got 8 shades and this has got 6 shades. And in terms of application, they both applied lovely. This is Makeup Revolution side and this is Fenty side. But I must confess, I love the Fenty side. Yes, it's just beautiful. Like I love the warmth it gives. Like I said, it's just it's exotic. It's like it's imported. It's just giving me vibes that I love. This is beautiful. I love this, you know I do. This is like my best bronzer, drugstore bronzer. So in terms of application, I prefer Fenty. Number 1, I love the warmth it's given. Number 2, it blended flawlessly. It blended seamlessly. This took a bit of time to blend. That's just why I'm picking this. The color, I love the warmth, and I love the way this blended. It just blended like a dream. It blended like £25, yeah. And this blended like £8. So yeah, those are my views. I think I can't pick one. I can't. The price, for the price, this is a good one. But I love this as well. So I will use both. I'll use both. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like if you did. If you're new, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. The subscribe button is down there. Just click subscribe. You know you want to. It's free. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you see the videos, my videos, as soon as they come out. And if you're an oldie, if you're a subscriber already, I love you, I appreciate you, God bless you, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.